Welcome to another KHOGC, Corrosion, Abrasion, and Industrial Coating Solutions presentation. Please click like, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.
The Project, a local horticultural supply business, tasked Team KHOGC with restoring and protecting their CM100 cocoa mill. The cocoa mill is used to rehydrate and loosen compressed 5 kg coir blocks. Coir is the natural biodegradable fiber extracted from the husk of coconuts and is used in potting and composting mixes, as well as soil additives. The coir blocks are fed into the cocoa mill, tumbled with water, and rehydrated into a fluffy, ready-to-use substrate. The first step was to thoroughly assess the damage to the cocoa mill. Inspection revealed significant wear from abrasion and corrosion to the bucket and the tumbler after 5+ years in service. Solution: Team KHOGC developed a detailed repair plan using Arcor S20 for the internal lining of the bucket and Arcor BHC72 on the side panels due to its extra flexibility. The cocoa mill's bucket and panels were cleaned, grit blasted, tested and prepped in readiness for coating. 2 coats of Arcor BHC72 were then applied to the side panels, while the interior of the cocoa mill bucket was sprayed with 3 coats of Arcor S20 Grey. Multiple readings were taken to ensure the coating thickness was uniformly over 1000 microns. External areas of the cocoa mill were coated with a hard-wearing acrylic enamel paint as requested by the client. As per the client's instructions, the tumbler and other panels were coated by a different facility using another product. Both the Arcor S20 and BHC72 are high-grade, corrosion-resistant, ceramic epoxy coatings that not only repairs damage, but also protects and extends the life of the equipment. For any information relating to this, or any other of our projects, please contact info@khogc.com. Thanks for watching this presentation.